In this video, I want to talk about how to use Google Docs to work with my Word document files. So for many people, they don't have Microsoft Word installed on their computer. And if that's the case, it's not a problem. You can go ahead and use Google Docs for free and just open and work with my files. So for example, I'm on Google Docs. I come over here and I click the open file picker. I want to go and upload a file. I want to browse to the file. I locate the Word document that I want to open. Like here, let me open up the assignment document. And it'll start the translation. Then it'll open it up. And at that point, you're good to go. You can start working on it once it's opened. Now, it does a pretty good job of uploading and copying everything. There are some times where you'll see some differences, but by and large, it's really quite good. So there's that will take care of it. And if you want to save a copy so you can open up without going to the internet, because this is all in the cloud, you can always just go ahead and download it as a PDF file. You won't be able to make changes to it, but you will be able to go ahead and open up and view it and see it to your heart's content without being connected. So that'd be an option. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope that was useful, and take care.